Hi, I'm Dennis Biddle. I'm the Assistant Director of Facilities Operations.
Hi, I'm Terry Kamibayashi, Assistant Director for Facilities Maintenance.
Hi, my name is Devin Starnes. I'm the Director for Facility Maintenance and Operations. We are excited to welcome your return back to campus. As you may know, your maintenance and operations team has worked throughout the pandemic providing essential cleaning, grounds, and building maintenance services. We wanted to take a moment to inform you on a few of the safety controls that have been implemented in preparation for the college community's return to campus.
In response to COVID-19, the M&O department has been proactive with implementing several administrative and engineering controls for the health and safety for faculty, staff, students, and for those who visit our beautiful campuses. These safety controls, which are aligned with guidance from the CDC, LA County Public Health, and Cal OSHA, include enhanced cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting frequencies, the distribution of portable cleaning caddies to all departments, upgraded ventilation system to MERV 13 air filters, placement of portable HEPA air purifiers in classrooms and workspaces, and where necessary, plexiglass barriers.
One of the many lessons learned in the last 15 months is the value of the work performed by the Maintenance and Operations Department. Cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing, as well as ensuring appropriate indoor air quality, has been shown to be effective in slowing the spread of COVID-19 and other viruses such as the flu. We are extremely proud of the work and the service we provide for SMC. We hope that pride resonates and is recognized with the campus community as we resume business operations. Again, welcome back to campus.